Okay, friend, I love sales and I love getting deals. So what I've done is come up with all the very best deals with the Young Living Holiday Spark sale. Now, it's going on now till October 24th, 2022. That means on Monday. So you have a little time this weekend to grab these deals still. Okay, one of the best deals are the diffuser sale. You can get this as low as $8 if you get the 6-pack. Think of all the gifts, and just saving that for so many things. What a great Christmas gift. You could also get 2 for $20. So $10 each is still so great. I've had my diffuser Desert Mist for a long time, 4 years or something like that. And it's been working great. We have a couple of those. So that's the first thing. The next thing that is another great deal, which is 60% off, are these glass roller balls. And it says inspire, focus, something else. It has like a pretty colored gemstone on top. Now, they're $6 for 3 of them, so that's only $2 each. Great steal. Okay. The other thing that is 40% off is the Seed to Seal little gift box from here. So this costs $42 with the discounted prices, and it usually runs for $70. Okay, look at how nice it is. So $42 is like a normal gift you would give someone. And look at that. They're 10 milliliters of the most common used oils: lavender, peppermint, and tea tree. And it talks about the Seed to Seal story and a little about what to do with those 3 oils. Really nice gift. Only $40. Okay. Now, I think this is one of the best also deals. The Holiday Home Cleaning Kit. It is 50% off. So this is what you get in there. You get these household cleaner. Remember, this lasts like 6 to 9 months because it's a concentrate. You get a glass spray bottle. Not this exactly because I don't have the kit yet. And you get Christmas Spirit, a big size, for 15 milligrams. So you can like put some in the spray bottle to make your cleaner smell like Christmas Spirit. Then you also get 2 Christmassy dish towels. So this is perfect for anyone that's trying to have non-toxic home, a neighbor gift, a friend gift, 50% off. So you're normally, if you just got these 2 products, they're about $25 each. So that would be $50. That's with your Young Living customer member discount. So that'd be $50. So you're already saving $10 plus getting the spray bottle that's glass and the dish towels for free. So that's the Holiday Home Clean Kit. That is a great deal. Okay, the other thing I don't have with me is the wool dryer balls. So it comes with 4 dryer balls, a great alternative, so much safer and healthier than dryer sheets. And it comes with 2 oils. It comes with lavender and bergamot. Oh my gosh, I love those so much. So I did the math, and if you got lavender and bergamot, it's a 5 milliliter, it would be $28.25. So this little set is only $24. So you're saving $4 on the oils, plus getting free dryer balls in a pretty little case too, or like a little pouch. Great deal. That's 40% off. Okay, next thing, Winter Nights oil. I didn't grab mine, but this is a lovely winter blend. You don't have to do it around the holidays, but it has cedarwood, orange, and spruce, I believe, and it smells great. My husband likes to diffuse it, even my daughter, for bedtime even, but you can DIY with it, just diffuse it anytime. Anyway, that oil is $30. It's only $18 for the 5 milliliter, and it's normally $25.75, so that's $8 off. Okay, a wonderful gift would be the macaroon collection. This diffuser, I don't have this one yet. I need to get this one. It's larger, and it could be for a larger capacity. It could run for 16 hours intermittently, and I think it covers like 600 square feet. I did a little math. I'm not 100% sure of that. So this collection is 25% off. The cost is $103, but you get limited time. This whole thing is limited time, but these oils that don't come out only one time a year. That's Cassius, a biblical oil. It smells so warm, like a warm cinnamony smell. It's good for lots of issues in your body, but I just love diffusing it. You get evergreen essence, totally smells like Christmas trees, and it's so good for your respiratory system and all those kind of things going out there. And orange. So all of those are wonderful to diffuse with orange, mix them, mingle them. Vanilla is good with them too, but that is a wonderful deal. Okay, a couple more things. There is the wooden tree collection. It is 40% off. So it comes with wooden trees similar to these. These are from last year. This year they're acacia wood, and it comes with white angelica. So white angelica has been a wonderful life changer for our family, for my daughters especially. It's helped with her anxious thoughts. She loves diffusing it for bedtime, which gives her some anxiety, just calms her down. But white angelica is great, like a shield around you for negativity. It's a great oil for the holiday season when there's stress, negative emotions, or maybe you're gonna be with family that, just get that shield around you, and it smells great. It could be a perfume. You can drop the oil on these trees, or just use them as a decoration. I'm like gonna be starting to collect it because every year I'm getting these trees. So that collection is 40% off. It's $36. If you just got the oil by itself, white angelica, it would be $32.50. So just for a few more dollars, $4 more, you're gonna get these trees too. And here is the cool part. 100% of the profit goes to the Young Living Foundation. So it's gonna help women in need and kids and all that stuff. Okay, finally, the last kit that is a great deal is 30% off, is the holiday home kit or bundle. And it comes with the macaroon collection, which is the macaroon diffuser, that big one with the 3 oils, orange, cassia, and evergreen essence. Then you also get the home collection. Remember the thieves cleaner, spray bottle, Christmas spirit, dish towels, plus you're gonna get a Christmas spirit hand soap, the foaming hand soap pump. And I always reuse those bottles because they're really good plastic. So that is 30% off, and the total is $139. That is a great thing to get for yourself. Maybe save the diffuser for yourself and gift, kind of break apart the other parts of it or whatnot. So that's the best deals. I hope you take advantage of this. I love to support you. This is a great time to start into some natural home products or essential oils. Just grab a diffuser, get some gifts for yourself. But I love to help you with your oil journey, or just making it some healthy switches for your life and your family. All right, let's talk soon.